Hey guys, this is Christian, hand of God, Katapol God, and the higher Paul gods. I am the higher Paul gods, even our God, and Jesus Cristo. Bata ako since when I was a kid, I was trying to think what is the solution and what is the bayad or payment of your soul to the eternity life. This is my idea how it looks like. You can be assurance, you can be have assurance to be in heaven for this doing, or what we call this doing, or this makalimutan kasi ako this doing or solution. Yan. Tagalog na lang, ang pinaka-paraan talaga para talagang sure na sure ka na sa langit, kasi buhay ay ang dugo. Hindi man yung puso mo ibigay mo, hindi man yung mata, utak, hindi mo bibigay yung kaluluwa mo pero yung dugo mo may kaluluwa. Hiwain mo yung kamay mo, hiwain mo yung braso mo, ialay mo yung sabihin natin 2 litro ng dugo mo, ialay mo sa kanila, tapos iyan mo lang, ibaon mo lang sa lupa. Ayan. Pag naialay mo kasi dugo mo sa kanila, sabihin buhay na yung inalay mo, kaya yun, sigurado ko na sa langit. Inaantok na ako guys.